over here it follows, up here. So when you're doing these kind of tile, you want to try and see if you can get like the grain kind of like to follow. See how it like follows, over here it follows, up here, down there, around the corner if you can. It's not really that easy around the corner sometimes. And then see how like down there, kind of like make it kind of continue along. Depends on the tile you get. These ones weren't too bad with the grain, that you could get a decent a pattern running. What you don't want to do is like have them go in all different directions, unless that's what the customer wants. So you know, you don't want one like going like this and then one going like that and all different directions. Usually you want to try and have it going the right way, all going the right way. These tiles have arrows on the back, so you can use that to help you figure out which way to turn the tile. See how they have arrows, but that doesn't necessarily mean you have to follow that, because like some of these, to make them work, because arrows basically are going around like this, but some of these here I have to turn them the other way to get the grain to work.